Hello, in this video I want to show you how to increase reputation with factions in Last Epoch. To do this, first let's open the Factions tab by clicking on Y on our keyboard or clicking on three lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then there's the Factions. Inside you can see your reputation, and to actually rank it up you can also see how much you need to gain to actually level up. And to actually gain that reputation, you basically need to kill mobs. So in this case, we can travel to any monolith in the Echo. And when we kill any mob, it should increase our reputation. And you can see it that I need 12,436, and now if we kill additional group like this one, it should increase, and now we need 12,416. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.